start. Now we show you how to use the letters by the machine software. Yeah. You can see this the form type, and you have many to select. Firstly, you just choose any number. It's okay. Just then enter it into another. Yeah. Now you can see this, and now this is the font you select just now. If you don't like this, you can change this. Yeah, you can change it until you find the right one you like. Yeah, there are many buttons. This is for the direction. Yeah, just this is for the white. Yeah, now this you can select the letters. Yeah, or adjust the distance between two letters. Yeah, and also up or down the letters position.